Hey everyone, Mortgage Nerd here again, talking about financial literacy for your kids. This time we're talking about how you get credit, how you get them to have a credit report with trade lines on it, but they're not 18, so they can't take out their own credit cards because they're not adults. It's actually pretty simple. You as the parent, put them on one of your credit cards, make them an authorized user. You don't have to give them the credit card, it just exists in their name. You could show it to them and say, haha, snip, snip, and you cut it up, but they still have credit now building. Of course, if you have too high of a balance on those cards, you're gonna hurt their credit. You're not gonna help them. What do I mean? Let's say your credit limit on that is $1,000. You don't wanna owe more than 25% of that $1,000. So you wanna keep your balance below $250, 25% of $1,000. A lot of people don't fully understand how you keep it there. When your monthly statement hits, let's say your monthly statement hits on the 15th, and today's the 10th, go in, make sure that you owe less than $250 and then don't charge any more. So that when the statement date hits, the due date, you owe less than 25%. That is the day, only one day a month, that credit card is gonna send the information to the 3 bureaus about your balance. So now the credit bureaus say, oh, this person leaves their balance below $250. Well, right after that payment date passes, your new statement is out. It says your statement balance is $239 or whatever the case may be. Now you can pay it to zero. And then you can go out and charge gas tanks, groceries, whatever. And then the 10th of the next month, a few days before your due date, and you pay it down below that 25% again. Yes, it takes time. Yes, it takes doing your diligence. I have a ton of credit cards through the business, through personal, depends which business has the credit cards. And I have my kids on some of those now. Every week, I go through all of my credit cards to see where their balances are, and I pay each of them down. I pay attention to the statement date and the statement balance. And as I get closer to the date that everything is owed, I make sure I have paid off the statement balance from the month before and also keep myself under that 25%. Might be a little complicated for some, for others, it's a great strategy. It's what I've used for the longest time. I get my credit pulled all the time and my scores are always in the high 700s, sometimes in the low 800s. Just a way to help your kids build credit. And then when they're 18, they can buy a property. Check the next video for that information. Mortgage Nerd out.